The KYMCO People S300 is a versatile and stylish urban scooter designed to meet the demands of modern commuting. With its practical design, powerful engine, and high-end features, it's a great choice for those who want a balance between performance, comfort, and convenience for everyday riding. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets or enjoying a leisurely weekend ride, the People S300 offers a compelling option for riders who prioritize style and efficiency. At the heart of the People S300 is a liquid-cooled, four-stroke, single-cylinder engine with a displacement of 276 cubic centimeters. The engine produces around 27 horsepower, providing more than enough power for zipping through traffic or cruising at higher speeds on open roads. The scooter's fuel-injected system ensures smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and longer rides. The design of the KYMCO People S300 is both sleek and functional. It sports a modern, angular aesthetic that appeals to urban riders looking for something more stylish than a typical commuter scooter. The flat floor design and upright seating position add to the rider's comfort, making it suitable for longer rides without fatigue. The ergonomics are well thought out, with ample legroom for taller riders and a comfortable seat for two. One of the highlights of the KYMCO People S300 is its tech-forward features. It includes an LED lighting system that enhances visibility and safety, particularly during night rides. The front and rear lights are bright and stylish, contributing to the bike's modern look. Handling is where the KYMCO People S300 really shines. The 16-inch front wheel and 14-inch rear will provide excellent stability, while the telescopic fork and rear twin-shock suspension ensure a smooth ride even on rough city streets. Whether navigating potholes or gliding over uneven pavement, the People S300 delivers a comfortable and controlled ride. For city commuters, fuel efficiency is a top priority, and the KYMCO People S300 doesn't disappoint. With its 9-liter fuel tank and an efficient engine, the scooter offers impressive mileage, allowing riders to travel long distances without frequent refueling stops. This efficiency makes the People S300 an eco-friendly and budget-friendly choice for daily commuting.